Did you know that some of the foods we eat every day can pack hundreds of unnecessary calories into our diet? You might think cutting calories means eating less and feeling hungry all the time, but that's not true. What if I told you that there are foods that are not only low in calories, but also fill you up and keep you healthy? These foods can help you shed those extra pounds without starving yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 incredible low-calorie foods that are packed with nutrients, help curb your appetite, and support weight loss. These foods are easy to add to your meals, keep you full longer, and most importantly, won't leave you feeling deprived. If you're ready to make a real change in your diet without sacrificing taste or satisfaction, keep watching. Watercress. First on our list is watercress. This leafy green is not only incredibly low in calories, just 4 calories per cup, but it's also packed with nutrients. Watercress is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are vital for your immune system, bone health, and skin. Despite being low in calories, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants that help fight inflammation and improve heart health. You can easily toss watercress into your salads or soups for a fresh, peppery flavor without worrying about adding extra calories. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to stay healthy and full while keeping the calorie count in check. Eggs. Next, we have eggs. At just around 78 calories per large egg, they are one of the most satisfying low-calorie foods you can eat. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Starting your day with eggs, whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, can keep your appetite in control throughout the day. Not only are they low in calories, but they're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and B12, which help with brain and bone health. Incorporating eggs into your diet is a smart move for weight loss without sacrificing nutrition. Kale. Have you ever wondered why kale is considered a superfood? With just 33 calories per cup, kale stands out as one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It's packed with fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel satisfied for longer periods, making it a great ally for weight loss. Moreover, kale is loaded with powerful antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol that not only combat inflammation, but also contribute to lowering blood pressure. Its versatility allows you to easily add it to your diet, whether blended into smoothies, tossed into salads, or baked into crispy chips. Choosing kale is an excellent way to boost your nutrient intake while keeping calories in check, supporting your health and weight management goals. Strawberries. If you have a sweet tooth, strawberries are your best friend. With only 53 calories per cup, strawberries are a guilt-free, low-calorie treat that satisfies sugar cravings while offering a ton of health benefits. They're packed with fiber, which helps with digestion, and rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system and skin health. The natural sweetness of strawberries makes them perfect for snacking, adding to yogurt, or blending into smoothies. Plus, they're full of antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body, contributing to overall well-being. Strawberries are a delicious and refreshing way to enjoy a low-calorie fruit. Cod. Cod is an outstanding choice for anyone aiming to boost their diet with a delicious and healthy low-calorie protein source. With only about 71 calories per 3-ounce serving, it delivers a hefty 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, making it a fantastic option for muscle repair and maintenance, especially for those on a weight loss journey. But that's not all. Cod is also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Its mild, flaky texture allows it to easily absorb flavors, making cod incredibly versatile. Whether you grill it with herbs, bake it with lemon and garlic, or steam it for a light dish, cod can fit seamlessly into a variety of meals. Plus, its low-calorie content ensures that you can enjoy a satisfying portion without guilt. So, if you're looking for a fish that's both nourishing and easy to prepare, cod is definitely worth adding to your plate. Watermelon. Watermelon is not just a tasty summer treat, it's an exceptional food for hydration and weight management. With only 46 calories per cup and over 90% water, watermelon is a fantastic choice for staying refreshed without piling on the calories. This juicy fruit is also packed with essential vitamins A and C, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin and a strong immune system. Eating watermelon not only helps you feel full due to its high water content, but it also aids in curbing unnecessary snacking, making it easier to control your calorie intake. You can enjoy watermelon on its own, mix it into fruit salads, or even add it to savory dishes for a surprising twist. For those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth while being mindful of calories, watermelon is a delightful option that brings both flavor and health benefits to the table. So next time you reach for a snack, consider watermelon as your go-to choice for a refreshing, low-calorie indulgence. Cucumber. Finally, we have cucumbers, one of the lowest calorie vegetables out there, with just 16 calories per cup. Cucumbers are mostly water, making them hydrating and filling, perfect for snacking throughout the day. They're also a good source of vitamin K and antioxidants, which support bone health and fight inflammation. You can add cucumbers to salads, sandwiches, or simply snack on cucumber slices with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Their crunchy texture and high water content make them a refreshing low-calorie snack that will help you stay full without adding extra calories to your diet. And there you have it, 7 amazing low-calorie foods that can help you lose weight without feeling deprived. By incorporating these nutrient-dense, low-calorie options into your meals, you can cut down on excess calories while staying full, satisfied, and healthy. Which of these foods are you going to try in your diet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on healthy living and weight loss. Thanks for watching.